Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's still your girl Cassie Makeover. I'm back again with another interesting video. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share with your friends and family, hit the notification bell so that anytime I post you'll be notified. Alright, so let's get right into the video. So here I'm starting with the basic crochet method. Then you're going to take like your attachment, then pass it through the crochet hook. Then before you tie it, don't tie it here, just watch closely. You take the coily hair that you want to use. You can use anyone. This particular one I made it myself. I've uploaded the video before, so you can go and check it out. I'll leave the link down below so you can look at it. I did it myself. Then I just like took one of it, then try and separate the hair a little bit, not too much so it don't look too rough, just a little bit. Then pass it through that hole there before you knot it, like before you tie it to be firm. So the next step we're going to take is make sure that one side is longer than the other side. That's the side you're going to be wrapping should be longer than the other side you're going to hold. Then just wrap it. I wrapped it like 3 to 4 times. Then before I started doing the butterfly locks. Just keep watching, you understand, it's a very detailed video, so just keep watching. So guys, when you're getting towards the end of the hair, you will notice that the one you're using to wrap has become shorter. You can either add more coily hair, or you can switch to that other one you were holding that's a bit longer, depending on the length you want. Me want my own very long, I just want it shoulder length, so it depends on the length you want. If you want it longer, then you add more coily hair to make it more longer. I hope you understand. So after you've gotten to the length that you desire, then the remaining hair, the remaining coily hair, start wrapping it upwards back. Like make a little tie, then just tie it for like once, then start wrapping it back upwards. I don't know if you understand, but just keep watching. You see what I did, just wrap it back upwards. Then it got to the point where I cut off the remaining attachment. That was the hair, the attachment I used at first. I had to cut it off because it's not coily. It's going to interrupt what I want to do, so I had to cut it off. So the closure part, I went ahead to braid it one. I braided it, then I just did the same method. Pass the coily hair through the braided one, then wrap it again. Start wrapping it, wrap it like 3 to 4 times before you start doing your butterfly. So because the reason why we are wrapping it first is to make the hair firm. If you just process, you end up having a rough work or the hair won't stay. So please make sure you wrap it first before you start doing the butterfly. I went ahead to separate one side of the coily hair. Make sure you separate it, like not so much, just a little bit, so that when you're doing the butterfly locks, it will be easy for you to use your finger to grab the hair. So if it's together, you won't be able to do that. It will be very difficult. So make sure you separate the coily hair, one side of the coily hair, before you start wrapping, so when you're doing the butterfly locks, it will be very easy for you. rest of the hair off camera. I hope you guys love this video. Please subscribe to my channel, support me by subscribing and like this video. I love you all. I'll see you in my next video.